It's November the 21st on Otter Creek Ranch. This big 10-pointer here has a doe bedded down. And there's a little buck moving in on him. I thought he was going to take after him, but he didn't. The little buck left. He's going to go back check on his doe. Keep an eye on that little buck. Not going to let him move in. Back behind him there's one moving up though. He's going to have to turn and take care of his territory. There he sees that other buck. An airplane did have to fly over while I'm videoing this. Didn't seem to affect him any though. That buck has some long points. Just a young deer, about a 5-year-old. Isn't he pretty? They just don't hardly get any more even than that. Look how they line up, those points. He's one of the few bucks here on Otter Creek that hasn't broke his points yet. Here they give him the warning snort. We had a good little shower last night, about a 1/2 inch, and so it's cooled off some. And the bucks are really active this morning.